want to tell you today about our lifetime banner stand. I really love this banner stand. It is the best one that we've ever offered. We offer a full lifetime warranty on the hardware and a 1-year warranty on the graphic. It's totally replaceable and it's adjustable. So we can adjust it anywhere from 72 all the way up to 92 inches and anywhere in between. And it is a really, really durable product. This isn't one that's brand new. We've been beating up on this one for some time around the shop. In fact, it's got plenty of dents and dings. But I'd just like to show what we can do with it. Check this out. Okay, here we go. What actually popped off of there were these plastic magnetic clips. And you can see this thing is bent. We hit it hard. Let's see if it still works. So it's not real pretty because we've done that about a dozen or 20 times. But if you were at a trade show and this was your only option because, I don't know, UPS or FedEx beat it up, still get your message across. This is an awesome product. You're gonna love it. Every banner stand comes in its own UPSable box, and inside that box will be this gray case. These cases are fantastic. Really heavy duty, nice zippers, great carrying strap. Makes it really easy to get this banner stand around safely. The banner stand is really tough. This case makes it even tougher. Check this out. Okay, here we go.